been for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through.
First open a web browser, then type in Gacha cute. Next click on the site that says Ikimne Tuski. Then scroll down till you find a button that says download and click on it. If you see a message that says, this type of file can harm your device, press OK. This app is not a virus, it's just a modded version of Gacha Club. This warning is shown by Google when you download X files and app files. Before downloading anything from websites, it is important to have trust in that site. The app might take a few seconds to install, so I'm going to speed this part of the video up, so you don't have to wait. Next, press open. Gacha Cute has a lot of props and backgrounds you can use for your animations.
Out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling, blow, ooh, she no skateboard P.